What has Austin or the ASFX systems helped you with the most?
Well, it's a defined plan, which is important, you know what I mean? And it's like, it's repeatable. And that's like the hardest thing, like finding a plan that you could repeat, that you could practice, that you could back test. So
it helped me the most with risk, how to manage risk, how to actually manage my trades, and basically not lose money in the wrong way.
Yeah, basically everything.
Everything to do with trading, from risk management, entries, exits, way to manage trades throughout, just the whole 9 yards. It's just the way to go.
It's given me a way to have good game planning and a way to really approach the market methodically.
My entries and patience, literally they were the two things that I needed to improve on the most. I could break down the charts and understand where the market was, but because of how my time works throughout the day, my entries where I was always either missing entries, or I was getting in too early and getting stopped out, or I was getting in too late and chasing the trade. So I could definitely say the one thing that the ASFX system has done for me is help me slow down, be patient, and work and get better entries.